This is John. I'm the instructor and guitar tech at CAMINO School of Music, Repair, and Technology. Well, so I decided I'd start fixing guitars myself. And in doing that, I wanted to go further, so I decided I'd go to a tech school, which was Roberto Venn. Learned a lot, learned different things at the school, which really helped. Got that certificate, started working at Markham's Music Store in Erie, Pennsylvania, doing repairs there. World of Music store in Erie, Pennsylvania. It was fun. I mean, I got to learn a lot of stuff. That was the key right there, is just learning. Once you get that, once you learn, you can do different things. Different doors open. I really excelled at it. I really enjoyed it. And I decided to do it full time. You know, here I am today, still doing it. I enjoy it. It's calming. You know, I was lucky when I was younger to have somebody teach me. And I look at it this way: if I can pass it on, hey, you know, that's what it's all about. Pay it forward. This is an industry here that it can go anywhere with this industry. I got lucky and got to hook up with some extra people, you know, people out there, and got to do some repairs for some big guys. And you know, when your name gets out there, people will ask for you, and it's kind of endless. I mean, because you really don't know where it's going to go. You really don't know. It's kind of like going to an amusement park you've never been to before, and you walk in, you see this huge roller coaster, and you go, wow, look at that. That's going to be fun. It's going to be something different. It's kind of like that, you know. I mean, when I did tech work for George Lynch, I mean, not to mention that he was my idol, you know, one of my mentors. I mean, to actually touch the guitar that actually recorded all the Dokken albums, wow, you know, that was just a rush. Anybody that's a Lynch fan would know, to be able to touch the Yellow Tiger or the Dream Warrior guitar with Skull and Bones, you know, or as he calls it, Mom, to be able to just touch those instruments, it really is a rush. George is really nice, very kind, not a jerk at all. I've set up guitars for Travis Tritt. I've done some things for the Rat Boys. Tommy Skeel from Tesla, I did a lot of his guitar work. I've done a couple things for them, and just a couple. You get to meet cool people and hang out with them, and but I've always looked at these guys as my friends, not as like, oh my God, look, it's Craig Goldie from Dio, who I'm actually very good friends with. I love being around music. I love music. I mean, music has been my life. I had a guy ask me that the other day. He goes, why do you keep doing this? Play and forget about working on them. There's a lot of people out there that do it, and they're not real good at it. And what happens with that, they end up ruining people's guitars. And I'm just not about that. I want to make sure that the guitar is correct, it's right. I want it to play great. I want it to feel great. You know, and I try to give it the best I can. That's the way I roll. And I just try to do the right thing for people. Hope to see you soon. Please go to our website, or you can go on Facebook. We have a Facebook site too. And hey, check out our videos on YouTube. Catch you later.